Hi there, this is Judy with Paper Palm Tree, and I have another wedding project that I'm working on that I wanted to share. And my last video, I had done these little tissue Happy Tears boxes, and I did them in the wedding colors. And where I have punched out that hole and cut off for the boxes, I have all these pieces from the box cut out. So I didn't want to waste them, and I started making these little 1-inch circles out of them. And so I am going to finish cutting all those out. And what I plan to do with these is to stitch them together to make a fun little garland, maybe to hang where the cards are going, or I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but you know, just not to be wasteful on all of this that came out of the little boxes. And it's got all the colors on it that my daughter-in-law has chosen, so I'm really thinking this is going to be cute. And even if I don't use it for the wedding, I like them. I like paper garlands, and I think they're cute. So I'm not quite sure. I've never made them before, but that's my goal. So I had at Goodwill, a while back, I had found this inexpensive battery operated little sewing machine. And I've got, you know, nice little machines that I quilt and everything with, and I did not want to use that on this kind of project. So I bought this. I think I paid like $6 for it. And it came with the instruction manual and I don't know, some gadgets here, sewing needles and stuff. So I'm going to try, I've not used this, but I'm going to try to stitch these with this. It may be harder than it needs to be, I'm not sure, but I'm going to try it. I think it might be fun on this handheld thing to do that. So let's see, it's got a bobbin in it, and it's got a place back here. I know I left it so that it's gotten dusty, but I'm not sure. This is a DC plug. I don't want to really use a battery on it if I can help it. But anyway, so let's try that. But first, I need to punch out all of my circles. And so I won't waste video time on that. I'm going to finish punching these out. And once I get the whole stack, I probably need to put those in something. Once I get the whole stack, then I'll come back and, you know, put it together for you on video. Okay, so I tried to get the little sewing machine to work, and oh, it took me a day and a half to figure out there is no salvaging that. So it was a wasted $6 at the Goodwill. So I have got my big machine out, and I've started sewing these together, and just kind of wanted to show you. I don't have any rhyme or reason to them. I just grabbed the pile, and I wanted them random. I didn't want them in any certain order. And so all I'm doing, I've tried to turn this on the side here so it's visible from the camera view, and all I'm doing is, as I press let's see if this sews sideways, it does, is to put it up under the foot there as the feed dog, so that it just pulls the paper through. And I think it's turning out really cute. And let me see if I can show you. And so probably what I'm going to do is, I have a place at the wedding that I'm going to put a place for cards, and I have, I don't know, some silk plants and different things that I wanted there. So I'm going to use that there because it's paper. I don't think I'll use it anywhere else. So I'm going to finish this up, and I'll come back to you and show you the garland when it's done. Okay, so here is the paper garland, and it does kind of contangle, so I think I need to do a better storage with it. But I think it's cute, and I'm glad I got to use all these pieces. And as you see, I didn't even care if I got 2 in a row. I tried not to do 3 in a row. That was the only thing that was my guide, and I think I have an even number of the cutouts. So I just figured it'll even out. So I think this will be adorable to hang on the mailbox. I'm doing a mailbox for the wedding cards, and I have some things to decorate it with, and so I thought this could be just enough to add a little bling to it, and hopefully it's gonna be an outside wedding, so hopefully we'll have some good weather and the paper won't be a problem. If it looks like I can't use it outside for this wedding, I think I can always use it for something else, and glad I did not waste it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, if you'll subscribe, hit the button below and see what else is coming up. I've got some other wedding projects that I'm working on that I need to get done and get on my list of things to get done before probably September, because the wedding's in October. So I'm going to try to untangle this mess and see where I can go with how to store this. So I hope you have a good day, and check back with me later. I shall have some more videos. Bye.